Ms. Hernandez isn't talking about rain, Mr. Savage. She's talking about water in the air.
That's right.
Water just roaming around in the air? That's a good one, Ms. Krempel. Water roaming around the air. What's wrong with that person?
Your Honor.
Okay, that's enough, you two.
Ms. Krempel, why don't you tell us what is happening?
The far end of the pipe appears to be dripping water into the cup.
And what color is the dripping water?
Clear.
I'm sorry, Ms. Krempel. What you just said wasn't very clear. Could you say it again a little more clearly?
Clear, clear. The water's not red, it's clear.
And what color is the water that's evaporating?
Red.
Exactly.
Ms. Krempel and Mr. Savage were arguing. Please continue.
She started it.
I did not. He did.
I'm not listening. La la.
Your Honor, not that kind of arguing. I mean lawyer kind of arguing. Ms. Krempel, go ahead.
Thank you. I want to remind Mr. Savage that this is science court. We're talking about the scientific term for work.
I move for a mistrial.
No, I move for a mistrial.
I moved first.
Okay, you two, cool down. I want to take a short break, and Mr. Savage, I want you to think about this. Court is recessed.
Objection. Irrelevant.
It is not irrelevant.
Is 2.
Is not.
Is 2.
Is not.
Is 3.
Cut, cut, cut. Okay, people, let's take 5 and calm down before this gets out of hand. When we come back, we'll see if Newton's first law of motion applies.
Sound is invisible and fast, and it doesn't make waves like that.
Yes, it can.
No, it can't.
Yes, it can.
Yes, it can.
I know it can.
You were supposed to say it can't.
Order, order! Okay, you two, stop making waves. Can sound make...
But UFO sightings and lefties might be connected in some important and fascinating way.
But probably not.
I've showed that the increase in left-handed people might have something to do with the increase in UFO sightings.
But it probably doesn't.
But it might.
But it probably doesn't.
Children, do we need a timeout?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Savage?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, continue.
I object, Your Honor. This is ridiculous.
Give up?
No, I don't give up. You should give up.
Why should I give up? I'm winning.
Okay, that's enough. We're going to take a break, and I want you two to think about what you're doing. Court is recessed.
Exactly. Because the tilt makes part of the Earth closer to the sun.
No, Mr. Savage, that's not the reason.
Objection, Your Honor.
What are you objecting to?
Wouldn't you love to know?
Because Earth's orbit is slightly elliptical and not a circle, then sometimes the Earth will be 5 million kilometers farther.
They said it was winter.
Winter in June has sort of a sad ring to it, doesn't it? Correct?
Yes.
No more questions,